Hi everyone, this is Augustine,
This is Tiger.
and today we will introduce you to our new app, Rosechecker.
And this app is basically for those students to check their schedules because currently it is very difficult for students to log into the schedule lookup page for their phones and to enter their username and password. The web page is not optimized for the mobile phones, so our app is offering a much more efficient way to check up their schedules.
For each quarter, you only need to log on to the Rose page once and download the calendar file from that page, and you can just import all the events into our app. And also, you can create your own meeting event and course events based on your needs.
And basically, we are trying to offering a way for every Rose student to have their own calendar based on our schedules.
So to use our app, we need to first log in with our Rose credentials. And when I click login, it will lead us to the Rose Fire authentication page. As I log into the app right now, there's nothing here, and I will show you the most important feature of our app, which is to download the calendar file directly from the schedule lookup page. And when I click OK, it will lead us to the page. The Rose Holman schedule lookup page is not optimized for the mobile phone users, and luckily we only need to do this once for a quarter. And I need to click the download calendar button to download the file ending with the ICS. And after I download the file, I need to go to the system file manager, and I need to find my ICS file. And when I click the ICS file, it will prompt to open with our Rosechecker. And here it goes. It will show us like how many events in total you will add into your calendar. And after I click the OK, everything's all set up. As I remember, our next quarter just starts with March the 4th, so I will go to that day to check my schedule. Right now, I can see the CSSE 333 is marked with a yellow background, and this is also one of our features to show the upcoming events. I can just click left and right to go to the day I want to, and also I can just click the calendar button in the middle, and it will prompt the calendar view to let me choose what day do I want to check the calendar.
Also, our app offers a very convenient feature to let users can directly go to the upcoming events date. So first, if I go to another date and I go back to the main and I long press our app, as you can see, CSSE 333 is our first upcoming event, and I click this one. It directly goes to the date which has this upcoming event, and it's very useful for our user. Moreover, our app offers a show all function which can show all the events in our schedule as a checklist. And now I want to add a new event to today's schedule. Because all the events we have now are course events, I'm going to add a meeting event. So it's the meeting name, the location, and the start date. I want to have a meeting maybe in 10 minutes, I guess, and maybe in 1 hour. As you can see, we use this fancy date picker and time picker to choose our time, and the agenda, and also the members. And we add a new meeting now. And also we have a notification As you can see, it says there's an upcoming event. It shows that the meeting will start in 10 minutes. This is a feature which users can quickly get notification from their upcoming events, and it will show the time and the name of the upcoming event. Also, we implement the swipe to delete function. As you can see, I can delete this one.
So this is basically our demo for the Rosechecker app. And when we were building this app, we found it's really interesting to implement the app shortcut feature. This is a feature that's only available after the Android 26 version, and it is really helpful to help us to just quick long press the app icon, and it can give us options to make a new intent or to do the certain actions that we want. For us, we just go to the upcoming event.
This is basically our demo. Thank you guys.